Welcome to another video of Roofing It Right with Dave and Wally. You are Dave.
And you are Wally.
And it's a little chilly out here this morning. Yeah, a little bit.
Yeah.
So Dave, today we're talking about our aerosol primer.
Right.
And this is really handy for an instance similar to this.
Oh.
Because we have a regular primer, right?
Right.
So we have this primer, and we have this pitch pan. So now I got to take my brush, dip it in here, try and get in here, get the primer in there, try and get it all and everything.
Correct.
Where a spray primer, you're a lot more efficient. I don't have to worry about trying to get in those tight spaces.
Right. It's more efficient and it's easier to carry.
So one important thing when we're talking, especially in this situation with a pitch pan, what is on in red warning labels on all of our pitch pans?
Prime inside surface before filling.
And how many times is that supposed to happen all the time, right?
Well, yeah, but I mean, that's one of the that's why we put the thing on there, is because they're not doing it.
Probably one of the biggest punch lists right
Yeah,
now.
yeah,
Guys
exactly.
don't prime.
Yep.
What also has to be primed in this area?
Everything, in this case, the pipes, the inside, the concrete, and outside, because we like to see overflow it.
So you said something about concrete. What's inside here?
Concrete.
Concrete. What do we not want to see in there?
We don't want to see sand. We don't want to see gravel. We don't want to see
chicken bones.
Yeah, plastic bags, whatever.
Yeah. So pre-fill with concrete,
Yes.
and we're going to top it off with our filler.
Correct.
Okay. Temperature restrictions, obviously 40 degrees or rising within of our primer. So that same rule with
Yes.
that. Store it appropriately, depending on the weather conditions.
Right.
So we're gonna go ahead again. We got to prime the concrete, prime any penetration, maybe prime a little bit on the outside. So when we do the fillers, we want it to overflow.
Correct. Ready?
Yep.
Stand back.
So again, we want to see the primer. We don't want to see the filler at the top. We actually when we put this filler in, we want to encase this whole thing. This is one area on the roof. We don't care if it looks pretty. I mean, we want it to look nice, but we want this to function. Okay, so with this aerosol primer, sometimes guys might be using it, might sputter a little bit. So what you want to do is shake it for about 30 seconds.
Correct. You got me on time?
Perfect.
All right.
So if a guy's doing a tear off, these have to be cleaned prior to doing this. Any tar, insulation, whatever, has to be cleaned off so that it would adhere to the pipe.
Absolutely.
So when we're all done, versus this primer, we got to worry about our brush. We got to constantly worry about keeping the lid on this. Put the lid back on this. Now we got to get rid of the brush. What do we got to do with that?
Put the lid back on it. We're done.
We're done. For more videos, go to gaf.com/roofingItRight.